Hi everyone, today is my cooking video. I want to teach you how to make your easy, nutritious, vegetarian, quick meals. Here I'm going to cook for you millet with dal and brinjal and some veggies and sauce, or I can say curry or maybe pulsu in Telugu. Okay, let's start. I'm going to boil some water. And also I'm going to add some water which was soaking millet in it. And here I'm going to start my sauce. I'll start with tamarind, saute with some oil and mustards and cumin seeds, and I do have some time to heat this oil, so I'm preparing some tamarind juice. I've soaked it in hot water in this one. Just I need to take this pulp out. My water has come to boil. I'm going to put some dal in this. You can take any proportion, there is no hard and fast rules. And I'm going to put some millets in this. These are small millets. You can put any kind of millet in this. Here the oil is heated. These are brinjals. I've just barbecued this and taken out the peel. You can even do this on the stove. Just trying to heat one. I'm trying to put some tamarind water in this, and I can even put this water. I need to have some more water in this. I'm going to put some spices in this. Little bit turmeric. Chilli powder as per your taste, salt, just give a mix. Bring it to boil. This is roasted sesame seed powder. This has a lot of calcium and it even have the fat value, oil part in this. I'm just trying to put my timer for 10 minutes. I'm just waiting to finish off this. it's done. I'm just waiting for my millets to be cooked. So I'm trying to balance the whole meal. Like I try to take protein and carbs in this and some additional stuff in this so that I can have some veggies along with protein and carbs. Now let me see. It's cooked. If you want, you can make this dry. The millets can be dried out, or you can even serve as little bit watery. Now I'm going to show you how this looks. Millets, with sauce, eggplant sauce. I'm trying to pick some eggplant pieces. That's it. Thank you for watching my video.